Are you struggling to create high-quality online course videos? Well, today I want to talk about Riverside, the all-in-one platform that makes recording and editing a breeze. In this video, I will give you a tutorial on how you can use Riverside so you can easily record and edit your online course videos. And yes, even if you're not a techie. Hey friends, Myrra here. If we've just met, hi, I'm a kingdom-driven entrepreneur, online course creator and strategist and author, helping kingdom-driven women coaches and entrepreneurs multiply their income and impact. So feel free to subscribe below and hit the notification bell as well if you would like to learn more about how to turn your God-given expertise and skills into profitable and transformational online courses. That said, let's dive into the video. Okay, so I know how hassle and time-consuming recording and editing your online course content can be. That can even be more complicated if you need to do screen sharing and guest interviews in your online course lessons. And this is where you usually have to use different platforms just for you to record, edit, and fine-tune your course content. But thanks to Riverside, our sponsor for today, you can easily record and edit your online course videos directly from your browser. Yup, no need for expensive equipment or complicated setups. And yes, there are even more extra useful features such as using a teleprompter. So let me show you how you can record different types of course content videos using Riverside. First, simply connect your camera and microphone and you're ready to go. If you don't have a webcam, no problem. You can also use your trusty iPhone. Just plug it in and use a tripod. Place it somewhere with a good angle to you as you record. Okay, so it's time for our recording. Let's start with recording a talking head video just like this. Just head over to Riverside's website using the link in the description and sign up for an account. If you sign up using the link in the description and use my coupon code, you will also receive an exclusive 15% discount. Second type of course content video is screen sharing. So say if you want to screen share, maybe you have slides, presentations that you want to use when recording your course content. Number 3, if you want to invite guests, let's say you have a masterclass inside your course that's in collaboration with another expert, or you are doing a live lesson or a live webinar inside your course where you want your students to join, this is what you need to do. Okay, so if you have guests that you are going to invite in, let's say, for example, a lesson where there are 2 of you or 3 of you who are going to teach, or it could be like you are also wanting to invite your course students inside your live recording, then make sure to invite people in by just choosing first which type of audience or guest they will be. So then copy that link and send that to that person that you are also going to invite. So I invited a friend over to try this with, so let's wait for her to jump in. And if you would also love to just invite your course students inside your live recording, then make sure to choose audience and then copy that link, send that over to them via email or your course platform or your Facebook group community so that they can jump in as well. Let's wait for my friend, dear friend Jenna, who I invited to try this feature in with me. Once you hit the record button, Riverside captures your video and audio in real time, saving you precious editing time. So there's really no need for you to wait for hours just to render and export your files. Once you click stop record, you'll see an option to view your recordings. So that's not all, friends. Riverside also offers powerful editing tools right within their platform. And so as a course creator myself, I truly appreciate this because having just one platform to record and edit your course videos is truly convenient. So here's how you can edit your course content that are recorded within their platform. Okay, so let's say that you have finished recording and now you want to edit your video within the Riverside platform. And so you can just go to the recordings section. So when you're here, you can download it as a subtitle file, or you can also download it as a transcript document. And this is such a useful thing for us online course creators, especially if you really want to make sure that your online course is accessible. At the same time, it caters to different learning styles. For example, people who just want to read through something, or who is going through your online course video while they're also reading your transcript. So these things are details that a lot of online course creators miss, but this is another extra feature that Riverside has that is very, very useful for us. And so once you have downloaded that, you can then upload it on your online course platform as a document, as a transcript file, or again, you can use it as a subtitle for your videos as well. But we can also do that inside the editor. So just go to editor here. It's also useful if you want to add subtitles in your course lesson videos, so you can cater to different learning styles and make your course more accessible. So once you're inside the editor, now you can begin to split, trim, or cut the parts of the video that you want to remove. So let's say you made some mistakes, or you want to remove the unwanted fillers that you say whenever you speak. And so what you can do is go through the transcript here, and you can actually, like for example, here I mentioned this is something that we can edit as well inside. And then I made a mistake there. So what I want to do is I can just choose that part and then click remove. So now that video will be automatically removed in your video. So it's really easy because you can also remove the all of those things that you want to remove, as well as another thing that I love here is that you can actually remove all silences. So what we can do here is remove it. Again, we really want to make sure that our online course videos are as concise as possible, and we're not wasting any second of it to really make sure that it's engaging for our online course students. And another thing is, if you go here to the tracks, you can also choose which track you want to use. So let's say you don't plan on using your slides or presentation anymore, then still you will be able to use your on-camera video as well. And then you can change the layout. So you can move it into a grid with gaps. So let's say you interviewed a guest, right? So this is something that is good if you interviewed a guest and you want it to be like equally divided into half of the screen. And so you can click on that. You can also use some of these AI speaker layouts at any level. Like for example, if you're with a guest and the one speaking will have the bigger part of the screen, while the other one who's not speaking will be on the smaller part of the screen. And it can also be a full frame AI, or this part where there will be a space here. So for the space, what you can do there is you can change the background. So there are other options for backgrounds here. So let's say this. Let's click this. So there will be a background there. It won't be just plain black. But you can also upload like a video background that you want to use, such as, a background that is on brand with your business. It has like a logo or the color, the brand color of your business, things like that. You could add that as well in your background. And the other thing that I really, really love about this Riverside editing platform is you can actually automatically edit in your captions. So instead of you uploading the SRT subtitle file separately in your course platform, you can actually just put it in your online course video. So you can choose a layout here. But for this example, let's say I click this one, And you can edit the font, how big it will be, and the color as well. So let's pick a part where I am saying something there. So now the subtitle will be in here as well, and it will be included once you export the file. So now, once you have done all of that, you can also add your logo here, or you can change your aspect ratio here if you want it to be a square or a story size, because you can also, another great thing about this is you can also repurpose all of these and let's say, edit a part for your Instagram story and then upload it on your Instagram account. So you can be able to do that as well. But for now, let's just stick with a 16:9 aspect ratio. And once you are done with that, you can click on export. And on export, you can also normalize audio levels. Again, this will be really fantastic if you have a guest inside and you're using different mics, different tech equipment, things like that, and it will normalize the audio level for that. And you can also have the option to remove background noise and remove the watermark as well. And also the video quality. So you can choose the highest one as well, and then click export. So it says here, we'll email you soon. Exporting usually takes up to 10 minutes. You'll get an email when your clip is ready. So just stay tuned in your email. And once that's done, then you'll be able to download it. And ta-da! Your online course video is ready and has been edited easily as well. So yeah. Other than that, it makes editing so much easier because you can easily pinpoint and remove unwanted fillers in one click. And when you're done, simply wait for your file to be exported. No need to worry about file transfers or compatibility issues. Riverside takes care of everything for you and will send you an email once exporting is done. Friends, I absolutely love this platform. It's not just great for podcasting, and that is actually something that you can also use it with, but more than that, it's also really helpful and valuable for online course creators like us and people who are planning to create and launch their online courses. Because with Riverside's intuitive interface, you don't need to be a tech guru to be creating professional-looking online course videos. It's so easy that even a beginner can actually master it in no time. So if you'd like to record and edit your online course videos using Riverside, sign up using the link in the description box below and use my coupon code Myrra to get 15% discount on your individual plan. So thank you once again, Riverside, for sponsoring this video. Friend, did this video help? Let me know in the comments below, and also ask away if you do have questions about the Riverside platform or about anything related to course creation. Remember to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials on creating your online course. Also, watch this video next if you would like to learn how to create your online course outline in just 60 minutes or less. As always, keep the faith, my friend, and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!